Hey guys, welcome back to 4C Mama. It's me, your girl, Rhoda, and today I'm here to show you how I make my healthy hair aloe vera concoctions. So I'm going to start with this big, beautiful aloe vera leaf, cut the sharp sides off, and I am going to split it down the middle and scoop the jelly out right into my blender cup. So the way that I'm using the knife to get the jelly out of the aloe vera may give some people anxiety. I've seen people use it with a spoon, but guys, I cannot get a grip on that slippery gel with a spoon. So I just take my time with the knife, but please just do whatever is safest and most effective for you. And don't forget to look down in my description box. I always include measurements and amounts in the description box. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to show you that it's not a lot of oils because we want the main factor here to be the aloe vera, and the oils are just here to add the necessary nutrients and to add that extra oomph to the oil. Now you're gonna need something to strain. You can use cheesecloth, a strainer as long as it's fine, but I like to use a wick cap because you could get everything that you need out. Nothing that is solid will pass through here. So I just squeeze it with my clean hand because we do not want any bits and pieces of unblended aloe vera in our bottle or our hair. So I've shown you how to make my aloe vera conditioner. Now I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera oil. Yes, you can make aloe vera oil because we're using olive oil for the infusion. So olive oil is a great carrier oil. You can infuse any flavor or any properties from something else into it, which is why you'll have garlic infused olive oil or rosemary infused olive oil. And that's what I'm gonna do via the double boiler. Direct heat is bad for oils or anything if you want to have the health benefits of it. So indirect heat via the double boiler is what I will be using to infuse the benefits of aloe vera into the olive oil. So the steam from the boiling water is what is going to heat the oil and get the aloe vera benefits into it, rather than to put it straight into a pot and actually cook all the nutrients out of the oil. So I'm just gonna add enough olive oil to cover our aloe vera, and I'm going to let this go on a double boiler until the skin of the aloe vera is brown, and then I'm going to let it cool, strain it off, and put it into my little container that I'm going to be storing it. Now, next I'm going to show you how to make my, well, not my, but aloe vera water, aka aloe vera juice, which you just put the aloe vera gel, just a gel, and a bit of water into your blender, blend it, strain it, and put it into your spray bottle. And that's what you're gonna see next. So I just want to tell you really quickly, there is a lot of misinformation out there about tea tree oil and whatever other oils being preservatives. Please do not think that tea tree oil or any other oil is going to preserve your homemade water-based products. You need to keep those things in the refrigerator. These will keep in the refrigerator for 2 months, maybe more, you know, it just depends on how cool it is. But do not get your hair and your skin messed up thinking that adding tea tree oil into your water-based homemade products, don't mess up your hair thinking it's gonna be a preservative. You will jack your hair up, okay? Tea tree oil is an antifungal and antibacterial, but it is not a preservative. There are many natural preservatives out there that you can research and use to preserve your water-based products so you don't have to keep them in the refrigerator. But please do not let misinformation cause you to jack your hair up. Tea tree oil and no oil is going to preserve your water-based products or your liquid-based products, whatever has water in it. So that's our aloe vera juice, and I'm just going to show you how it all works. This is my daughter. I washed her hair the day before I filmed this. I allowed her hair to get this way just so I could show you the progression of the products. Don't mind any lint you see here. It's apparent that kids like to do headstands after you wash their hair in every single spot that their feet touch. So I'm just using our aloe vera juice here to add moisture into her hair. So I'm just gonna spray it. I did spray like way too much, but I just sprayed it in there and I worked it into her hair. Now I had put a little plastic to cover it so I could shake it up, but now I am adding our aloe vera conditioner here, and I'm just gonna put it on her scalp and in her hair strands and massage it in. This is where I'm going to deep condition, what am I saying? This is where I'm going to detangle her hair. It may look a bit rough, but it's not. And if you see her crying, it's because she's sleepy, which you will see by the end of this video. But I'm just going to detangle her hair. Her hair retained all that moisture and all that, so it was pretty easy to do. So now I am just going to style her hair. And for this, I'm going to use our aloe vera oil and put it onto the hair before putting her little hair ties in. So to recap, I use aloe vera water to put moisture into her hair strands to bring it back alive. I used our aloe vera conditioner to add all those nutrients and benefits of all the oils and everything onto her scalp and into her hair strands. And then I use the aloe vera oil at the end to seal it all in while I put her hair into her little tiny hair ties. So as you can see, these DIY hair products are suitable for kids of all ages because we are using natural and organic products that we know the names and the benefits of in their hair. And it is just so good to see that I could do something at home that will benefit my daughter's hair greatly, and also my hair and my son's hair. So if you give it a try, please let me know how you like it and how your hair and scalp likes it after using for a certain amount of time. Do you see a big difference? Do you think it's too time consuming to do? And all that good stuff. And also, do you make any DIY products at home? If you do, let me know what it is in the comment section. I would love to know what else people are making out here for themselves and their kids. Guys, do you see how quickly Miss Fussy Pants knocked out? Yeah, so she was so sleepy because she usually sits still and just lets me do my thing in her hair, but she was tired. And that is the end of that. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me try something or make something, you can let me know down below, or you can hit me in my Instagram DMs at 4C_mama. The link will be down in the description. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.